Alright, so today we are M Social.
And we're going to stay here for one night.
So let's go and check in. Let's go. Hello.
Okay, thank you. Yep, checking in.
Sorry.
No problem.
So staying for one night, checking out tomorrow. Right?
Yes, correct.
So reservation is prepaid through the rediscover voucher.
Yes, correct.
Also require a debit or credit card just to secure any incident.
Oh, okay, can check this out. Thank you. Thank you.
So reservation includes breakfast for two tomorrow. Okay. Just help me take some time to help me fill out this breakfast menu.
Okay, sure.
Just indicate the time of delivery as well as the options for your breakfast. So out of these two sets, you can select one set each.
Okay.
So one piece per person. I'll give you some pens to fill out the form.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Thank you.
So just reconfirm the timing is 8:45 to 9:30.
Yes, correct. Thank you.
So just let me confirm your reservation. So checking out tomorrow. So the hotel arranged at 11 o'clock.
Okay.
Contact number and email address is correct, Mr.
Yeah, correct.
So just need your signature just in the first box.
Okay, sure.
Just as a reminder, we are a non-smoking hotel. All the rooms are non-smoking.
Okay.
So we will send 2 sets of the cocktail making kit. So it's a DIY process now for
Okay.
the time being. So what time would you like us for the restaurant to send the kits to your room? It's anywhere between 2 to 5 p.m.
2 to 5 p.m. 5 more.
5 p.m. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. I'll get them to arrange it at 5 p.m.
Okay, sure.
Okay, those your room will be on the 3rd floor. Last 2 digits will be your room number.
Okay.
Wi-Fi is complimentary. No password is required to log in.
Okay, sure. Alright, thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chuan.
Alright. So today we are going to give you a room tour of this Alcove Cosy Room from M Social Hotel. This is a room with sufficient amenities, although it's small. So let's take a look at the room. Yeah. So this is the main room itself. Right, you got a queen size bed over here, which is very comfy. Yeah, very comfy. I'm gonna lie here and sleep. So yeah. Yes. So you got a floor to ceiling window, a very big window over here, although not much view, but you get trees. So you got a green scenery. So yeah, so moving on from that side, you got a very big screen, TV. Yeah, you got a very big TV over here. Then below the TV itself, you got a study area where you got a very complicated lamp that currently we still got no idea how to turn it on. Yeah, it doesn't work, we got no idea, but yeah, very complicated TV. So over beside the so-called the working area or office area, you got the sink. So take note that there's no sink in the washroom itself. This is the only sink in the room. So you can do your washing up all over here with the amenities kit. Yeah, so you got your dental kit, your shower cap, vanity kit, a lotion, facial soap, 2 mugs, and tissue paper. It's safe to drink water from the tap because Singapore waters are safe, so you can actually trust, or you got trust issues in water, you can actually take water from the mini bar over here. So above the mini fridge itself is a mini safe that I believe can fit a 13-inch laptop over here. Then you get 2 room sleepers. And right above at this level shelf, You get your coffee, tea. Yeah, there's actually a very themed tea that is from the Raffles Lighthouse, Singapore, with a image of Raffles Lighthouse, Singapore. Very unique. Yeah, so you got a kettle with two mugs, coffee mugs over here, and you got a wardrobe area over here, an open concept wardrobe area. Yeah, that we actually place our luggage here. So, okay, moving on. Behind this door is the washroom with light sensor. Welcome to the toilet of the room. So here you have a rain shower, and they actually provide you with conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. Over here, then you got your toilet bowl area over there. Then you can take a shit. Yeah. So okay. So if you're wondering this blind over here, you actually close it while turning this thing. So if privacy is a very big concern for you, you can actually turn it, then close it. Yeah, so no one can see you from inside. So yes, that's all for the washroom over here. Reach. Even sorry. Hey, here got handle, not my phone. Here also got handle. Anyways, yeah. So you can get the mini. They provide 2 bottles of chilled water in the mini fridge over here. Hey, this thing cannot close on. No kidding, this thing cannot close on.